Hello, today we'll talk about HyperView MultiCore, and most importantly, we will find some key features by using some tools in HyperView MultiCore. So, as you can see, we have loaded the model and the results, and now let's create some definitions. We will select some nodal definitions and some elemental, like this, for example. In the browser, we can see all the definitions cast, and as you can see, I have not yet activated one definition as a contour, but we can take information from them by using some query tools, like for example the table tool. As you can see, when we select nodes, we have available here to take results from the nodal definitions, and when we select elements, we have available the elemental definitions. So now, for example, let's say that we want the element ID and these two definitions to take results, and we have to select the elements that we want. And at the same time, we can have a total different definition activated, for example, like the displacement. So that's very important because at the same time we can have two different information available for us. We can have a visual information from a contour, and then at the same time we can have a different information about another definition cast in the memory. In this case, for example, about the stresses. Also, the hotspot tool have some very interesting features. For example, in this area, contour definition, we can select according to which definition cast in the memory we want to run the hotspot tool. So for example, let's say that we want the stresses and to have two hotspot findings. We have found the hotspots, and also through the preferences tab, we can select additionally information about to display the information about other definitions we have cast in the memory. So as you can see, we have the hotspot tools regarding the stresses, and we have additional information in these elements about the direct stress. So that's also very important. And now, lastly, I wanted to talk to you about the nodes tool, where you can also find some key features. For example, in the text area, you can select through the all definitions cast into the memory to take results. So let's say I want the displacement of this node. And even though we have another contoured active, we can take information about another definition cast into the memory. So that's all. I hope this was helpful, and stay in the future videos to come to learn about more about HyperView MultiCore. Thank you all.